Bad news. Our little bird has been attacked by a big corporate American eagle. This means that we will have to change our name. It's sad and it sucks. But how good of a name was it really?
Canary.
On the bright side, a lot of you have already given it a lot of new names.
Jon Snow,
Sleepy Joe,
Anders,
Fink,
Erling.
Our company was made through crowdfunding. So why not crowdsource our new name? Help us find a new name and win a trip to the Canary Islands. Wow, right? And of course a couple of these. Like and comment your proposal below, and yeah, that's all. Huh? A free trip? Yep, that's right. We'll pick a winner in a couple of days. Good luck and goodbye.